Everybody become a Roomba. We're gonna do Roomba red light, green light.
Guys, do you see this? You see this?
Bro, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Okay, doesn't count.
Come out of the ground, dude. You're a ghost.
I didn't move! Yo, when you go right here, you can't get back. When you do Roomba edition, you can't get back in. Let's redo Roomba, but we gotta go. Follow me.
Wait, how do you go under there? How do you get under there?
Okay, so you go under there, open your Oculus menu, put your hands under the ground, and then you become Roomba. And to move her around, you just want to do.
How do I move?
Move her. Okay, go under here. Jeremiah, go under here. Go under here. Everybody, go under here. Open your Oculus menu. Put your hands below the ground. Open it and then move like. Put your hands like this. Do like you're picking something up. Like this. Put your hands like this. Put your hands like that.
Hey guys, it's Wizard Edition.
But don't put it above the ground. Put it below.
Guys, it's Wizard Edition.
It's Roomba.
Okay, who's it?
I can't move.
I'm in.
Okay.
I'm trying to move, but I can't. I can't get out. Yo, I can't get out.
With my other arm.
Okay, are you ready?
Harry Potter.
Wait, guys, I'm stuck. I can't do it.
I'm still looking at you.
I can't do it at all.
Harry Potter.
Hold on, I need to scratch an itch.
Just move you all the way back. Go back. Hey, Harry Potter.
Get on the bottom.
Fine, I'll go
Harry
back.
Potter.
Guys, I'm trying to move, but I can't, guys. Guys, I'm trying
You
to move.
move. You move with your hands like this. Your hands not above the ground, but like this.
Oh.
I didn't move.
No, I got you.
I know.
Alright, cool.
I just go.
Alright, cool. Everybody come back. Everybody go back over here. Yo, we're doing red light, green light. Jeremiah, come back. We're doing red light, green light.
Hey guys, if you
Wait, Roomba edition, right? Roomba edition.
Yeah,
right?
Roomba edition. Yeah, Roomba edition.
Strict mom. Hey guys, if you move, it's strict mom edition.
Okay.
You better be doing your homework.
Hold on, let me turn into a Roomba.
Get on the very bottom.
No.
Bro.
I can't turn
Go
into a
back.
Roomba.
Go back. You won't push move yet. Go back. Bro, until I turn around right here, you can. Mama was walking.
Come on.
Mama.
I can't move.
Okay, then you're getting the whooping of your life.
No. You better be doing your homework.
Turn around, bro. Come on. Turn around, bro. Go. Turn around.
What do you mean by that? Please. Don't sue me.
I didn't move. Dang, I didn't move.
I'm not doing something. Hey guys.
I didn't move. You turn around. Turn around. I won.
Go back.
I
Go
won.
back. I saw you. No, I saw you move.
Yo, we should play hide and seek Roomba edition.
Bro, we can only hide in here.
No, we can't, bro. Look. Yo, guys, look. I can really just go over here.
You gonna turn around?
No way. Where are you going? Where are you going? You look so weird.
Okay, hello.
Roomba has crashed.
Okay. Wait, I gotta. Okay, wait. Come here.
Roomba, come back.
Roomba's going back into his charging station.
I'm gonna pause on the mirror.
No, you got to go through me.
Over here.
You have to accept the consequences.
Guys, I accept the consequences.
Oh yeah.
What? I don't care. Alright, what are we doing now? Roomba. Well, are we doing another Roomba red light, green light edition?
Buddy.
I can't move.
Get stuck in there for now.
Are we doing Roomba red light, green light edition again?
Hey yo, don't look at my penis.
I'm not.
Jeremiah. Yo, somebody stand in front of me.
Okay. Hey. I'm standing in front of you. Whoa.
I'm gonna see who can run fast. Guys, wait, I'm gonna see who can run the fastest.
I know how to do it, bro. Put my photo on the frienda. And never play music again.
That's the friendo.
Guys, I'm gonna see who can run fastest.
Yo, I know another place we can do this.
Where?
Follow me.
Guys, I'm gonna see who can run the fastest. Well, I'm
Oh.
gonna see who can run the fastest.
You know you can't even go into this one. Oh, there we go.
Yes, you can.
Us.
I'm gonna see who can run the fastest.
We should play hide and seek. We should play hide and seek.
No,
it's hard.
I'm gonna see who
I
can
did the
run
best hiding spot. What are you talking about? I did the best hiding spot.
No, but I'm gonna see who can run the fastest as a Roomba. So come here.
Bet.
Everyone become
Bet.
a Roomba and start right here. You guys are gonna start.
Oh, they become Roomba and start right there?
past me.
Become Roomba and start here?
Daily deal. Start the daily deal. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm Roomba. 1. Us.